So I'm making Russian dressing tonight for my Reuben, and I always have to make fresh mayonnaise if I haven't done it within the last couple days, because I don't buy store-bought mayonnaise anymore since I tried this. What it requires is 1 cup of canola oil, 2 large pasteurized egg yolks. You can also use regular egg yolks. Pasteurized ones are a little safer. They last a little longer in the refrigerator. 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon, a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, which I don't have in front of me, a 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/8 of a teaspoon of sugar, and it also calls for a 1/4 teaspoon of hot sauce, but I usually omit that. I really enjoy it, but it's not true to mayonnaise. So that's the recipe, and you gotta have one of these tools, an immersion blender or stick blender. So let's put this all together. Alrighty, after you've got all your ingredients in there, make sure to let them settle. And then you're going to take your stick blender. If you've got an adjustable speed, set it on about medium. And here's the trick to this. You need to put it all the way into the bottom and hold it there. And keep it there, and you will see this magic here. Kind of hard with one hand. There we go. Got to tilt it a little bit with one hand, I guess, huh? All right, now once it starts, you can turn it up to high. And then you can lift it a little bit. Kind of bring it up and down. And it's starting to get really thick, as you can see. So that's about as thick as I'm going to be able to get it, and because I was using one hand, there's a little bit of oil on top, but it'll mix in real good. And then you're going to need a small spatula or something to clean this all out of your stick blender. But that is 1 cup of mayonnaise, and this stuff is so good. Once you try it, you'll never go back to regular mayonnaise.